When a plumbing crisis hits, one of the first things homeowners worry about is the emergency plumber cost in Salt Lake City. And it's a fair concern. Nobody wants to be surprised by a huge bill when they're already dealing with a burst pipe or no hot water. That's why we're committed to honest, upfront pricing for all emergency plumbing in Salt Lake City. Whether it's the middle of the night or a weekend, our goal is to deliver expert service without unexpected costs. Our team of trusted emergency plumbers in Salt Lake City is available 24/7 to respond fast and fix problems before they get worse. Dealing with a major leak? We'll assess the situation and give you a clear breakdown of the broken water pipe repair cost in Salt Lake City, so you're never left guessing. No hot water? We'll also walk you through the water heater repair cost in Salt Lake City before we begin any work, helping you make informed decisions that fit your budget. At the end of the day, the emergency plumber cost in Salt Lake City should reflect quality, transparency, and peace of mind. And that's exactly what we deliver. So, when things go wrong, don't wait. Call the professionals in Emergency Plumbing Salt Lake City Trust for fair pricing, fast service, and reliable results, anytime, day or night. Don't worry about emergency plumber costs in Salt Lake City. Contact us for fair, upfront pricing. Call 385-300-1099 or visit emergencyplumbingsaltlakecity.com now.